Yondomusic.
Alright fam, moment of truth. This 240 might be starting soon. It's been a whole 2 months, man. So
I hear it's priming.
good morning, Basic Fam. Welcome back to the Basic channel. Strap yourself in for a long day, cause I'm gonna try and start my car first. If you've seen the last vlog, or if you've seen the other vlogs, you'd know that my car's fucked up. We're gonna see if it turns on after 2 long months of it being down. This dude supercharged his truck.
Ain't got a flat tire.
Yeah, looking like a drift truck. 2 separate wheels. So pretty much he and I need to change our tires, but this guy's tire already blew.
They said slam your truck, it'll be fun, they said, but you gotta buy tires every 4 months.
Oh shit.
And I was about to change it too on Wednesday already, but it couldn't even wait a couple days.
Yeah. Today's Monday.
But it is pretty bad. I should have checked earlier. It might have been there. Like if you look, it's coming from the sides. I think what happened was I hit like a dip or something and it pushed down and slammed and just...
Camber, they said. Run camber, they said.
Too much horsepower, they said. Put a supercharger on it. Let's see if she starts. Wow! That was easy.
It's running weird. Sounds weird.
I wonder why.
I think it needs a tune.
New water pump, new tire, new everything. But he's got something special in store to kind of help with, you know, the damaged hood. You'll see it soon. Damn, Maui. Car's squirting everywhere. Whose truck is that? Damn, that looks like a sexy truck. Kind of high though, but sexy still. Oh God.
You see this white house right here?
Yeah.
Hit the camera over here. Point the camera this way. Watch it. Right here.
Oh, is that a Datsun? Oh, sexy. God, I still hate Troy's driveway.
Is this Troy's driveway?
Yeah.
What is this truck doing in the way?
Yeah.
You can check the pitch and roll on this thing.
Because it feels like we're about to tip over and roll down the hill.
Good.
It's time to do the stuff though. Watch out. Oh, that's bad.
This is the angle on Troy's hill.
And I parked my truck on this too. And Michael's car. And back again. What's the plans today, Troy?
This heavy ass transmission back up.
That's it?
I hope that's it. I'm pretty sure it just slides, right?
So what are these, Troy?
Troll bearing.
Got it all back together. And I think it goes like this.
Does it get forked?
Fork.
Forked on the side.
So we got the throttle bearing in. Now we're just gonna try and change out the slave cylinder. Calling Pizza Hut. Lunchtime and wrench time.
Logan.
Yes, master.
I think this is a 12.
12?
Oh, how's this kneecap? Old sleeve out. More kneecaps. Old sleeve out.
One in.
New one in. What's next? Trans up?
Trans up.
Trans up.
Fingers crossed.
What are fingers crossed? I don't even know ball cross.
I don't need no fingers in.
Oh!
No need by the oil box, eh?
No, I was on my side, and then she was just checking by the area, and then I just fucking
Bring your elbows like this, you lose all the fingers in the spin.
Just
Update.
backfire and then close it down either way.
We got a bracket in our way. Once the WD-40 soaks in, hopefully we get it.
Hopefully.
Nick is here.
Finally.
So Mr. Strippy Bolt's here.
Bustable.
Mr. Stripper?
Mr. Busted Nut.
This is his beautiful work.
Oh man.
Busted out to get your bitch pregnant.
Oh, January. Alright, everyone staying proactive here.
I'm watching right now.
Logan's watching and he got the most dirty somehow.
Look at his face.
Exactly. Let me see the other side of your face. Oh, bruh.
Really bad?
Hard worker or hardly working?
Both.
Okay, so trans is in, bolted up. Now we just gotta try and bolt up the drive shaft and good to go.
He said you can smell gas in the oil.
Nice.
So it's up and low.
First start after a couple months.
It's not blowing like smoke? No, you're fine.
Maybe the motor's not blown.
It's blown. It sounds fine, bro. When did you see white smoke? Was that your tires or what?
No,
The last
but he was driving with no oil.
Last day I started, that's when it was smoking when they dropped.
So Troy's car has been down for 2 months too. So 240's got running today. Now we're gonna go pull out Nick's 240's motor. Troy's car, all he's got to do is put up his drive shaft bolted on and his car's good to go. His motor's not blown, so he's got more progress than I got. My car is still got some tinkering I gotta do to it. Water pump, maybe TPS. But now we're gonna go pull out a motor from Nick's S14. I believe it's a notch top SR, so I'm gonna go learn about that too. It's my first motor I've ever pulled out, so it's good stuff to learn, bro. And you can't beat it when you're with your very good friends. And all these boys are good guys, so let's go learn some more, boy.
You gon' be sick to your stomach. Hit me when you free 1-800. It's emergency, call me 911. 'Cause right now I'm out here trying to find someone. So the ring on my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't trying to defeat her. There goes my heart. You don't keep her. You don't make it.
So there's Nick's 300Z that he just uses for parts. And here's Nick's 240. We're twins!
Twins. Oh yeah, with the trunk down.
So today we're gonna try and pull that. Some small wires and stuff, intercooler, bumper, it's all out. Moving on to the next stuff.
Brother!
Trans fluids, then it should be good.
For the gear oil.
You got this.
Have you ever just... It was all the way forward to like right there, and then this was just holding this from falling in. Alright, I don't know where the chain is. Alright. This one has to be like this. I need to take, so if one of you guys wants to fuck with this, I just need to get one of the nuts off over here from
This
the
one?
Yeah, so that you can mount this on the. Bad about that. We dropped the trans and the shifter's still in there. Like the trans is hanging a little bit.
Nothing.
Did it strip?
Did you strip it?
No! It's starting to, but it's fine. If you just get it with a closed end, you're good. No. Oh, Nick, that's it. Oh God. Oh, the clutch went to the floor. We're good. Wait, why did the clutch go to the floor? I didn't even disconnect the hydraulics.
The slave?
Oh, because the slave's not. The slave just spit out.
We're gonna the last few bolts, nuts and bolts, couple of wires. They're taking out the trans. All right, we're taking bets right now. How many of you think something's still hooked up?
Me.
2.
Something simple.
2.5.
Yeah, it's gonna be something small. I know it. Something that I couldn't see already.
We think we got it all though.
That's all that matters. Is we think.
Now he's popping me and Logan's cherry and using the cherry picker. Verdict is we left the O2 sensor and exhaust. The entire exhaust.
So there's 2 things we left on.
Yeah, not that bad.
That's all.
That's bad.
You think it overheated before?
Got her out.
Oh, there's so much pitting in here. Look at the fat dips at the bottom. It's
know.
like our road system here.
Alright guys, that was it for today. That was a really long day, but
Got a
a
lot done.
pretty productive day, huh brother?
My cherry was popped twice.
On what?
Transmission and engine pull.
Hey! But at least now we have a general idea of how that thing works, you
At
know?
least on 240's.
Yeah, we're just typical dudes that have no idea what cars do and how they work, but we know how to turn a wrench.
But you know how to ship bolts.
That's my specialty. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know what it'll be, but just stay tuned. Love you guys.